Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've already done the Christmas ones, but I finally found the rare, and I'm gonna show you how, if you don't already know. This hack has been going around for a while. So whatever's on the side here is what you're getting, except for the rare. It could come in any of them. Mine this time is in the Christmas tree, but you're going to turn it until you find these perforated lines. And all of the regular ones have a gold bottom, the rare has a green one. So if you look real close, you can see the red wrapper, and then right here, it turns green and then goes back to the red wrapper. It's very easy to see. The gold one will be gold. It's very obvious. So this one is green, should be the rare. Let's go ahead and open this. And yes, it is. Look at that. I'm making a short too, so isn't that cool? So I would say you're gonna have the best luck if you could find a brand new box at your store. There's typically one rare per box. So this is what the container looks like. The table's really cute. For whatever reason, they put the table in a plastic container. They haven't done that with other ones. Ooh, that's
cute
pretty.
How you packaged it.
Yeah, isn't that cute? There's snowflakes and it's a little textured. You could feel it, and that's cool.
Is that how like all the tables look like?
All the Christmas ones, or holiday ones, they do have different tables. Here's one of the moose mugs. That's way bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
So the rare ones eggnog.
In the moose cups, or yeah, cups.
Here's the moosey.
And here's the packaging. Ooh. So that's just the gold tongs, and then the holly berry that goes on top that you could use as an ornament and all that. We have the base for the table. That's cute. We have the instructions. This was my favorite from the series. This I was looking forward to, but that kind of ended up being a nightmare with all the flocking. That is cute. Here, pass it over so we can... We have some paper, some festive paper that's already folded, and a little tray. What'd you find? Cinnamon sticks? We have cinnamon powder in a shaker. Then she also found some cinnamon sticks. There's pretty many in there.
And then the resin. And
the eggnog resin. So cute. I forgot this was in there too. To Clark Griswold. It's a letter.
I want to read it, please.
Okay, I'm just going to show it to him and then you can look at it. Oop. It's so tiny, it's hard to... Jelly of the Month Club. Isn't that adorable?
Eggnog jelly.
And so that fits inside the envelope. This is a very simple recipe. We're just adding the eggnog, a cinnamon stick, and sprinkling it with cinnamon. That is literally it. So I'm gonna do one, and then I'm gonna let my daughter do the other one. She's very excited.
Helper.
Yeah, my helper. Actually, see, I don't know how much eggnog to put in there.
It would be cute if, in the cup, I wish the cup was like painted. If you got painted cup.
Yeah.
Some paint, that would be cute.
Maybe that'll, ooh, maybe that'll come in the future where the lifestyles, like maybe there'll be pottery or clay that you could paint and then put in the oven or set outside to like bake it. Ooh. And that would be cool. That's a good idea, actually. Very good idea. Okay, I'm gonna let her pour hers in now. Okay, I took the lid off the cinnamon. I kind of hate using the shakers because look how big those holes are. I feel like it's gonna come out like a bunch. So I'm gonna try just to pick up some and kind of like that. You have more control, I think. I do like a lot of, is it normally nutmeg? This says cinnamon, but isn't it normally nutmeg that goes on?
Yeah.
I don't know that you've ever even had eggnog. You're just going along with me. You're like, yeah, that sounds right.
Captain Underpants.
Oh, Captain Underpants has eggnog?
A Christmas part where Melvin's drinking eggnog.
Oh, okay. Maybe you know more than I do.
Yeah.
Okay, now
TVs actually makes kids learn stuff.
sometimes TV does. Oh, that just kind of dragged all my
Oh no.
stuff everywhere.
No.
That's okay, we can add more. I wasn't sure if we were supposed to do that part first or last or what.
I think we're supposed to put 2 cinnamon sticks in.
I mean, you could. They gave you a bunch of cinnamon sticks.
I kind of want to save some so we can make our own on the video.
Yeah. That's cute. I'm going to go cure it. Okay, she's going to do hers now. I already set mine outside. I wish the cinnamon sticks were a little bit taller because they're kind of sinking. But I also filled mine up pretty high. There you go. That way you can see more of the details of the moose's face. But I'm so happy I found this one. And hopefully you guys can find some in your store. This was the first, actually last week they did have 2 boxes, but they were very much picked through and there was no rare ones. My Target tends to get them pretty late. So I do have a bunch of other fun ones, all of the new ones coming. You can, oftentimes if they're not on MGA and they're not on Target's website, they do like first release sales, I guess, on TikTok shop. MGA does, so I've been able to find a lot of the new ones. It's escaping me what the heck they're called.
Like the makeup?
Yeah, the makeup actually I did order from TikTok shop because they weren't in the store yet.
I knew it.
Do you want to add your cinnamon stick now?
It's
so you can put it like this way or however you want it. And then you could add more cinnamon if it kind of sinks it a little.
Get this.
Oh, here.
My sassy.
I know we made a mess of it. Here you go.
Noi. Doodle Bob. Noi.
Doodle Bob.
Noi. I wish these actually would be bigger.
Don't stir it, girl. There you go.
Yeah.
You want it to sink like that?
Yeah.
Do you want to add a little bit more cinnamon?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here's how they turned out. So some considerations if you find these. If you want the cinnamon stick to stick up higher, you might want to pour some down here and cure it first. There's like a piece of fuzz or something on there. Because otherwise they do sink quite a bit. So keep that in mind. Also keep in mind, you may want to add the cinnamon stick first and then the cinnamon, because as you can see when you push the cinnamon stick in, some of the cinnamon powder does go to the bottom. That may or may not bother you. I'm not too particular, but just thought I would point that out. I think these are cute. I'm happy to have the rare. I think we have all the rares now, don't we? We have Wonka, we have Beetlejuice, we have this one.
I'm pretty sure.
And then the Valentine's rare, which was what? Was that the flowers? I can't remember what the rare was.
I'm pretty sure that was the flowers.
Yeah, so that's cute. Let's put it on the table. What do you give this out of 10?
1,000.
1,000. I think it's super cute. Out of 10, probably like an 8. For this series, charcuterie had to have been my favorite. That one's awesome. I'd probably go maybe a tie between the Yule log and the rare. That one's definitely last because the flocking, it was messy and it came off when I tried to decorate it.
Yeah, and some extra dust on the table.
Yeah, all the flocking
because it got opened.
Yeah. So it was kind of messy, but yeah, cute. Hope you guys, if you're looking for this one, are able to find it with that little hack, and good luck. Thanks so much for watching.
And the message is easy to open and put it back in.
Yes. Bye, guys.